Everybody, Brian back here with a look at Caspa. You can see we're bouncing right off that 200 on the daily here. All right, we do not want to lose that. Okay, we haven't lost the 200 on the daily for a very long time. Go back to October, all right, of 23. October, November, December, 10 months ago. We haven't even touched it since then. All right, so we're right in that area right now with that 200. Looks like possible 5 waves down in here. You had an inverse head and shoulders in here, all kinds of stuff playing out. You had a head, shoulder, shoulder. You almost had a bigger head and shoulders here, shoulder here. We could have got, not real good on this, but with the inverse head and shoulders, but I'm not 100% sure if that, like see that head back up from there for an inverse head and shoulders, not come down, but we'll see what happens there with that. But was looking that way a little bit. All right, so let's take a look here at a few other things here. Looks like a 5 wave down right here. All right, it's going to 1 hour time frame. You can see it a little bit better in here. How about a 4 hour? There we go. All right, let's pull this up. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now this could be done right here. It could have a little bit more to push down yet. All right, if you measure this out, it's usually a 1618 from a charting point, which would put it around 55, 198. All right, now a lot of times these will pull back. This is a wave 4. That's what I'm looking at overall here for Bitcoin. If we come out here on a monthly, usually get a 382 pullback for wave 4. All right, no more than that normally. So if we take and look here, go from wave 2 to the top, the 382 is right around that 55,000 mark, right where possibly that 5th wave would end up, right on the 382. So we could have a push down here to 55,000 bucks. That is very, very possible. Now, if you're a member of the channel and you're looking for a place to leverage trade, I have a new place I'm using. It's in the description of the video. If you use the link, you get members discounts and stuff over there for using crypto blocks. I was waiting to hear back from them for almost a week. I've been using them for a little over a week now. I like the site. No KYC. You can just click the link and go right over there and check it out. We've had quite a few people from the members area going over there and signing up. It's a lot better when you're trading and you're kind of all on the same page with the charts and stuff. So if that's something that interests you, please go check it out, guys. In a level 3 membership, it's only $14.99. You get over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and you get a link to our Discord membership. All right, which I'll be putting out a new members video today on short trading short time frames. All right, I love trading short time frames, quick profits. I love that. I'm not much for sitting in a trade for 2 weeks, so I'm going to get that video out today to the members. If that's something that interests you, please go check it out and consider signing up. Right now with Bitcoin here, overall we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, a trend-based Fibonacci gives us a target here. If we go from our low of wave 1 to our high of wave 2 to the retracement, gives us about 85,000 bucks. All right, now if we put a regular fib on there and look for 1.618, right to the bottom, right about there, right around 84 to 85,000 dollars. All right, that would give us our 5th wave here. Be 1. There's a lot of fear out there right now. All right, the fear and greed index is down to a 44. Maybe this pulls down day here. If it does, then we get which would kind of make sense because that Fibonacci, I did not go down there. That would shoot us up probably right to that 85. Yeah, I looked at 85,000. So we might get that pull down to 55. That would get us right up by the trend-based fib, and it would also get us a regular 1618 extension here. Now, as far as the RSIs go for Bitcoin, the monthly monthly's trying to turn back up here. All right, now you do have bearish divergence on the monthly right here. You have this high, you have a lower high coming in, and on price, you have that high, this high, you have a higher high. Out on the weekly, if we take a look at it, you can see here the weekly is just about reset. Okay, so it's just about ready to turn to the upside. The daily is rolling over here. You can see at the bottom though, down here we do have a little bit of, if this bottom holds right here, then we have bullish divergence. We have this low and we have a higher low. On price action, you have this low and you have a lower low. Okay, you see that up there? So that's bullish divergence. Out on the 3-day, the 3-day is at a 9 and a 6. It is bullish. The 5-day, it is also, it's at triple zeros right on the very bottom. Right, so Bitcoin is very, very close to bottoming. The 12 is almost reset. We have a green at 12-hour candle. This does not have to push down to 55. I mean, it has pushed, you know, these don't always go to full extensions here. All right, it's made it down here to what, 56.8, you know, so it doesn't have to go the whole way down there. 12 hours turning up. You got the 8-hour turning to the upside, bullish divergence on the bottom. All right, you got this slow down here, and you have a higher low right there. All right, now in price action up there, you have this low and a lower low. So you have bullish divergence on the 8-hour. On the 4-hour, you also have bullish divergence and heading to the upside. All right, so possible bottom here for Bitcoin. The big story will come when it runs back up into this resistance area here. If it takes it out, you know, if you're charting this, guys, get that line on there. If we get a break here, then the next target up here for Bitcoin is up at that 85,000 range. All right, up in here. Will that be the top? Boy, we'll have to wait and see, right? We'll have to see how everything's playing out. See, it's amazing. That line's up almost perfect. I'd almost expect to push down to 55 here. You know, we'll have to wait and see how what everything is doing then. The weekly by then could be right back up at the top. You're going to have your monthly. The monthly here is already at the top. You know, if we get that last push up for wave 5, then it could end up rolling over. In Bitcoin's history, all right, you had right through here, check this out, top of the RSI 2013 bull run, top of the RSI 2019 retracement, top of the RSI, or I'm sorry, 2017 bull run, 2019 retracement, 2021 bull run. This should be technically 2024 retracement. So we'll see what happens here. Right inside, you had a retracement in this area here for 2013, out on 2015. So you had a bull run, a retracement, a bull run, a retracement, a bull run. Should be a retracement. All right, we'll see what happens. Now, if we end up running up here, you know, and smashing, hitting that 85, and it's going to be a big story up here, guys. It really is. You know, because the big thing to look at is the total market cap of crypto. All right, that tells a lot of everything here. You know, and you would this fifth wave, that should be our altcoin run. That's where all of our altcoins should end up running. All right, you have the total 2 right at, as far as a this is everything excluding Bitcoin. Look at this, right at a retracement, 618, right against resistance here. If we get a break of that, this thing could really, really tear. All right, you got the total 3. This is without Bitcoin and ETH. This one is super low. You know, no, not super low. It's close. Hasn't even hit that 618 yet. All right, just stretching right up there. That's all the, you know, so you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly a 5th wave up here. Where could that 5th wave end up taking us? Well, you have an ABC working out in here now, right? I've showed the channel members that you have an ABC working out. It's going to 8 hour or something a little bit higher, huh? Right here. Okay, you have an A, a B, and a C. The target for that C I took it off there, didn't I? Let's go on a 12-hour here. Go us a little bit higher because we're looking for a bottom to come in here with this and then a run. Measure this out right over here. Comes right up to a 702 right there. Pull it down on top. Pull this top down on top of there. Right here is where we're looking for a bottom for the altcoin market. Right there. 500, right about 500 billion. That's why I have this alarm here set. Now, if we come back out on that on a weekly, what we're looking at here, let's clear all this off here first. All right, what you're right here, if we take a trend-based fib, you have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave coming up here. Trend-based Fibonacci, go from our swing low to our swing high, right about there to the retracement. Oh boy, you have 5 waves right in there. So boy, you know, yeah, you do have 5 waves right there. That's almost a perfect hit. ABC correction here. You know, is that it for the? That's excluding Bitcoin and ETH. You know, do you have a little bit of a retracement up here, or does this ABC come in here? You have your 5 waves up. Does this ABC come in, and then maybe a bigger story is being told here? This is all a big wave 1. Your ABC wave 2. Boy, would this shock everybody, huh? 3, 4, 5. We'll talk about all this later, but you do have an ABC coming in here, which means a top. You got that 5th wave up. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, guys. Watch it. It looks about ready to take off. Thank you so much. Please consider joining up for that level 3 membership and go over and sign up. The description is in the video description. There are the links. Thank you.